Welcome to Alfonso Quijero, Introduction to Cryptocurrencies, Chapter 6, Decentralized Digital Money. The drawbacks of identifiable centralized ledger-based systems and the rise of the Internet sparked interest in the potential of digital money. The appeal of a fully decentralized currency lies in its ability to eliminate the need for intermediaries, such as banks or financial institutions, potentially reaching the estimated 1.7 billion underbanked individuals globally. It also promises faster and cheaper cross-border transactions by reducing inefficiencies. However, decentralized digital money faces significant challenges, primarily the double spend problem. For instance, if your friend sends you a picture of a $10 bill, the same image could be sent to someone else, leading to potential double spending. Unlike paper money, which is physically transferred, or bank transfers that are authorized and centralized, digital transactions can be replicated unless properly secured. Security is another critical issue. Digital networks are vulnerable to hacking, as demonstrated by numerous cyber attacks and significant cryptocurrency fraud. If someone intercepts your friend's photo of the $10 bill, it could be used fraudulently, a problem that doesn't arise with physical cash or bank transfers. While a centralized party could address these issues, it contradicts the principles of decentralization, which aims to eliminate single points of failure, potential censorship, and corruption risks. This is where Bitcoin's launch on October 31st, 2008, marked a turning point. An entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto introduced a decentralized, consensus-driven ledger system to address the double spend problem. According to Nakamoto's white paper, Bitcoin enables direct peer-to-peer payments without needing financial institutions. It uses a decentralized ledger to verify transactions, ensuring that Bitcoins are not double spent. The ledger, known as the blockchain, is difficult to alter, relying on cryptographic proof. Here's a simplified explanation of Bitcoin's process. 1. A transaction occurs between two Bitcoin users, and the owner digitally signs over the Bitcoin using their digital keys. 2. A block containing this transaction is created. To prevent double spending, the receiver verifies that the Bitcoin has not been previously signed over to someone else. 3. The block is broadcast to all participating computers in the network, called nodes. 4. Each node competes to solve a complex computation to validate the block. This process is known as proof of work. 5. The first node to solve the computation and validate the block is rewarded with new Bitcoins, a process referred to as Bitcoin mining. The difficulty of these computations increases over time. 6. Once enough nodes validate the block, it is added to the blockchain, creating a chain of blocks. The longest blockchain, having the most proof of work, is considered the correct one. False transactions that don't receive sufficient confirmations are discarded. Confirmed blocks are very difficult to reverse, requiring an attacker to recreate and surpass the existing chain's proof of work rapidly. This process ensures the integrity and security of Bitcoin transactions. If you're interested in a deeper dive, Satoshi Nakamoto's white paper is available at bitcoin.org.